I saw a former vice president of this country celebrating that there is a public holiday today in the country. And you dare tell the people of Kenya you want to be a president. If you have nothing to do, and if for 50 years you have not done anything or achieved anything for this country when you're in a position of leadership, let Kenyans work. Kenyans want to work. I also said, Honorable Speaker, we had another former one-term member of parliament for Madera. One-term former member of parliament for Madera, saying that he is asking his people to stay at home today and not to be on the street rampaging. Honorable Speaker, it is evident now who it is that mobilizes goons to come and torch people's buildings in the CBD. It is evident who was mobilizing people to torch buildings, public buildings. And I must take this opportunity to thank the people of Kenya, especially young Kenyans who have seen through the hypocrisy and the scavenging nature of this group of politicians who have been scavenging on anything and everything. I said here the other day they tried to scavenge on Ebola. Thank God Ebola never found its way to our country. They tried to scavenge on the finance bill. We dissipated their lies and their propaganda. Now they wanted and hoped to scavenge on the 25th of June, when families are hurting, when families who lost their loved ones are remembering them, when business people and men and women who lost property are remembering in pain the property that was touched. I remember the people who died at the building on Kimani Street, and hundreds of hardworking Kenyans who lost property in 2024 on this day. Not to forget the many young people who had been made to believe in the propaganda, the misinformation and disinformation that had been peddled around the question of the finance bill. And I thank these young people because I have seen them and I watched a number of them on television, saying that at least they brought it to the fore among us Kenyans, issues touching on the finance bill, and now we are able to converse with them. How I wish we had conversed as we have done with them. How I wish people were listening as they have listened this year. But we must thank the people of Kenya because they have listened. They have separated the propaganda from the lies and the propaganda and lies from the truth. They have seen those who speak truth, those who speak facts, those who speak to the issues that are in a bill, and those who propagate lies about land taxes, about rental income taxes, about Mutumba taxes. And they have seen even among us their members of parliament, those who read and those who don't read.